Vectorworks 2026, the change when you create objects. It's really nice. Now in Vectorworks 2025, when I create something like a rectangle, you can see I create the rectangle, but as I'm creating it, you don't see a great deal of graphic change as you cover over something. In Vectorworks 2026, when I do the same thing, you see there's a ghost image on top of everything. To me, this is absolutely clear where I'm creating it, what I'm covering. It's really, really nice. Now, this also works in 3D. When you create a 3D object, you can actually see it covering up part of the other information. You can see it there. To me, this makes it so quick and so easy to see where you're creating information. Great idea to upgrade for 2026. Just one of those little things that just makes so much difference. Hey, if you like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps me. And also, click on the subscribe button so you become a subscriber and get notified every time I upload a new video. Become a member of my community and join me online weekly for online sessions. Catch you then.